back to the channel. You can't really see my face, but today, as you can see down below by the title, I am going to buy a ring light. So in this store, we will catch up with you guys. Bye. Oh, hello. Yeah. Man, check out the ring light then.
Ring light, what size?
I'm not sure the size of
A
it.
16 inch and some smaller one.
How much is 16 inch?
8,000 something.
Let me see two of them, please.
In one box of mega girl, regular. One avatar, just black.
Yeah. Come here. Yeah, from the way.
But it's over the transfer. Oh,
That's our kind. What is
it's got a 16 inch.
check out the
Oh, we
light.
go here, oh, we go here, so bad. Yes.
You can put your China on my phone.
And the one on there.
Yeah,
Yeah, avatar, this,
You can switch your light.
yeah. That's it. Oh,
Put
okay.
in enough light you know.
you can show white. This is the white. Put it back. So guys, yes, I'm back. Sit down. So the last clip on see is when you buy the ring light in the store. I know the lighting man good right now, but that's the reason why I got the ring light. So in the store, maybe the buy a phone charger because my phone never got charged so good with the charger. I did have some right bump right here. So I'm gonna talk about annoying because someone love bust bomb. So let me try to squeeze it. If it's so kinda hot people. But anyways, that piercing something that pierce. So you just kidding. Come on, tell me that. I hope you're not irritating that much. Let me sit out. Yeah, that's sure. So this is the ring light. So this is what come inside the ring light. So that's what I told me, guys. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. So this is what comes in the ring light. A remote. This I'm gonna show you how I set it up. The plug-in part, the charging part, whatever. The part where you put your phone, and then the light itself. And now the box is empty. Put that down. Guys, you know how long I'm gonna post my video? And this is the stick now. It's a ladder bag we get it in now. Yeah. Okay. And most of them go one it is a 16-inch ring light. Okay. Purr. What I said? Coming up too more, then some mash it. Me I get the drift. So when I get the drift. So this is it. It. So that's time I forgot to put on back on because I think me have to show. Oh. That's so this is the stick. Me I hurry up put on bottom guys because if ask me to put a shoe down so when we fix it up. So this will come back. Alright people. So more me go down and go up. So it close up. So yeah. Why me I tell you? Okay, we need to watch video. Me confused. I think me I go something there. Don't look on a review. Sorry if the lighting changed. We pull up the back door so the nice can block it. Alright, so see the ring lights here. Hope you can see me people. I don't know what's wrong with this here, but it just not holding. I'm never bring it back. So if they feel they can. Alright, so look down here, so. So right here, I'm gonna push it in, so. Getting somewhere. Okay guys, so we did go downtown. So this is the number one. I'm not sure how much level up on it, but I'm go down to number one. Me I go up and now. Me excited people. So boom. That I want next step. So this are the last. These are the first step, right? Dull and nice still. Because even when me lock it off, it still look bright. It's still dark. And when me turn it on to the lowest, me still have a little light. You understand? Alright. These are the second. Nice. Love it. Third. Alright. Fourth. Yeah, they're still, you know. Fifth. Okay. I see you. 7. Okay. 8. Baby. 9. Okay. 10. And I think the top at 10. Mimi, yes, I did that. Thanks. So yes guys, I'm push this out further because we kind of have a bump on my face. So yes guys, that is the ring light. Finally get it. I start without a ring light. I put it on sunlight. I'll do natural light are the best light, but I'm going to do video in the night also. We can't have this because even the house lock up and you know, like still bright and nice. I'm grateful and thankful that we step up to our next level of life, YouTube, because I really love YouTube. I'm going to continue with this year. So guys, I'm going to start posting because for many reasons I try to handle it with school and support. So this is a video and I think I end it off right now. It's bright and nice, I love it. So see, this is how it on. So yes guys, that's enough of video here. So hope you like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell because you can be notified whenever I post another video. And yeah, I could come with many other things planned. This is one of my goals. My main goal for YouTube, I have other goals that I'll accomplish soon in this month. So update will be soon and so forth. So yes guys, I'm out for now.